You're insecure, don't know what for. You're turning heads when you walk through the door. Don't need makeup to cover up. Being the way that you are is enough. Everyone else in the room can see it. Everyone else but you. Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. The way that you flip your hair gets me overwhelmed. But when you smile at the ground, it ain't hard to tell. You don't know, you don't know you're beautiful. If only you saw what I can see, you'll understand why I want you so desperately. Right now I'm looking at you and I can't believe you don't know, you don't know you're beautiful. That's what makes you beautiful.
Birthday! Sana di ka magbago ah. Let's go tayo. Hello, Tinay! Happy birthday!
Tama din.
Happy birthday, Tinay! Happy ah. Happy birthday! Merry Christmas! God bless! Thank you sa lahat. Ang online ko for Valentine. Hi, Tinay! Happy birthday! Birthday you up! I love you, Tinay! Thank you for being one of my best friends or friends. But thank you for how I have to say to that. Thank you. I love you so much. Happy birthday. I love you.
Happy birthday pala sa'yo, Tinay. Happy birthday at saka Merry Christmas. I wish you all the best. Sana mahanap mo na ang hinahanap mo talaga. Kung ano man yung hinahanap mo. Ayan, ulit, happy birthday talaga sa'yo. Ayan, bye!
Happy birthday, Tinay. Bye. Happy birthday. Thank you sa magiging kaputing connect. Ingat lagi. Christina, Tinay. God bless, take care, and my birthday. Happy birthday. God bless.
Uy! Bakit? Ha?
Happy birthday. Yun, huwag ka mo naman mag-aral ka muna.
Happy birthday.
Mabaliw sa buwan ang puso ko. Sa isang sulat mo ay nabihan ako para bang iba na. Sa isang sulat mo
Thank you for the friendship, for being kind, and sana hindi ko makabago. Alam mo, ikaw yung naging close friends ko kay Ken. Thank you talaga. Nina, all the best. Long life. Wish ko sana huwag ka magbago at sana tumagal pa yung friendship natin. Yun, good luck. God bless. We love you.
Happy Gagas Day. Merry Christmas and happy birthday. God, kung magbabago, let us trust and God. Bye!